Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Brilli app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, click on it. Come to apps list here, and then you're looking for Brilli app, just click on it here, or just click on search. Then here add Brilli app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, and here you search for Brilli app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.